Hey up everybody, it's Gaz here from EnglishWithGaz.com. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments below. In today's video, we're going to discuss this common English idiom. If you're learning English, then this is a great place for you. I make videos to help you learn new vocabulary and speak English with confidence. If that sounds good to you, then start now by clicking the subscribe button. And please don't forget to click on the little bell, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos that I make for you. Okay, let's get on with today's video. Today's idiom is to hit the sack. Now, a sack is an old word that we don't really use anymore. It kind of means bag. Back in the old days, we'd fill up sacks with things like fruits and vegetables or straw or hay to move them around from place to place. But nowadays, we have bags, not sacks. So the idiom to hit the sack. Here's an example. Follow along. See if you can understand from context without reading the answer there, which is really obvious. But still, if you switch off now, you won't hear how we actually use it. So here goes. And you won't learn a bonus word either, so stay tuned. Here's an example. I've had a busy day and I'm knackered. It's time for me to hit the sack. Now this obviously means to go to bed. To hit the sack means I'm going to bed. I'm going to hit the sack. Don't forget, with idioms, we have to sometimes change the verb tense to make it fit when we are talking about. So if we're talking about the future, I'm going to hit the sack. If we're talking about the past, I hit the sack, because the past of hit is hit. So, now we know what it means, let's look at this word here. Knackered. You probably won't find this in any textbooks because it's a slang word used by British people, but it's very, very commonly used. Can you guess what it means from the context of the sentence? Well, it means I'm very tired. Knackered means tired. Now, it's a silent K, like in the word knowledge. We don't say knowledge, and we don't say knackered. We say knackered. I'm knackered. And there we go. This is today's idiom. To hit the sack means to go to bed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe and check out the other great videos that I've already made for you on my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye for now.